Hi, YouTube. How's it going, Sky?
Good.
Good. How's it going, Amelia?
Good.
Good. Well, we made it to Oshkosh. We got in super late. We got some sleep. We got in here and got our camp all set up after driving around for forever trying to find a spot that wasn't in the mud because it's been raining here. And now we're comfy and cozy for the rest of the week. Any cool airplanes gone by so far?
Yeah.
What?
C1 something.
C-17?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Millie, did you see any cool airplanes yet?
I saw a few helicopters.
This is the few helicopters?
Yeah.
Nice. Couple blimps. Those are cool. Well, we wanted to be airplane themed, so we ordered a few things, and we want to show you what we ordered. So we're gonna do us an unboxing video. You want to do an unboxing video?
Yeah.
You want to help me us out, Amelia?
Yes.
Yeah! Let's see what's in here, dudes. Tear it open.
You need to do the other side.
What do we got? Pull one thing out at a time. Bubble wrap! Yay!
My cool airplane.
Wow, you got an airplane hat? Try it on. Hold on, you got one too, Sky? Or is this one mine? That one's yours.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, let YouTube see your cool hat. Look at the fuzzies on it. Sky, yours looks pretty dang good. Whose is this one? Mommy's. Here, hand that to Mommy. Here's mine.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Here's my pink shirt.
What's your pink shirt say?
Adorable.
Adorable.
Awesome, Amelia. It's this one. Is this one my size? Yep. This one's mine.
What's it say, Sky?
It says Oshkosh AirVenture Oshkosh. 80 years World War II victory. 2025.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah.
What else is in here? The Curtis P-40
Parrot. Awesome, Dad.
Parrot head. I got this because this aircraft is based in Nampa, Idaho, just down the road from where we live. So that's pretty sweet.
Here's Dad's size of my shirt.
I got one of those too. Awesome. That'll be cool.
Yeah. Hey, look, we got
Let's see the rest of the shirts first.
Okay. We got our pins.
Yeah, we got some pins.
Awesome.
What's this one?
Oshkosh bound.
Oshkosh bound. I don't remember this shirt, but oh, this is the one that's cool.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Look at this. On the back. It's the Oshkosh Airport.
Awesome.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
That one's Mommy's, I think. What's this one?
Stick your nose out. This is yours, I think.
What's it say?
Stick your nose out.
It's got the parrot head on it here.
Tigers. Flying tigers.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
This one's awesome.
It's all the Oshkosh bugs.
It's the Oshkosh bug identifier.
Cool.
All the different ones.
Yeah.
Oshkosh has a fleet of I don't even know how many hundred bugs they drive around.
One more. Here's Mom's.
Here's Mom's.
What do it say?
Let's see.
AirVenture.
T-28 Trojans, dude.
Awesome. So cool.
Beautiful, retro, awesome. Okay, let's stick these back in here for a minute. Some cool shirts to wear while we're here.
cool hats.
Okay.
Let's look at our pins.
Let's look at the pins. Here, Sky.
Set it down.
Amelia, what's this?
Sticker.
It's a sticker. Do you know what it says?
What?
It says Oshkosh or bust. We got to stick this on the back of the
Trailer.
diamond in the rough, dudes.
Yeah. Here's it.
Avior. Here's one for your hat, Amelia.
This one's for my hat.
Wow. Since we read Avior all the time,
Here.
let's get this opened up.
Hey,
Yeah.
is this one mine?
This one is.
This one of mine?
I think so.
Awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, I'm just gonna do my other.
All right.
Here it is.
Here. Oh, you want them on the other hat? Yeah, that's a good idea. You got a pin from the tractor show on here.
Yep. Awesome too.
We're gonna stick this one right here.
Add it to my ultimate collection of airplane pins. And these are all pins I've collected at Oshkosh over the years.
Okay. You want your wings on here? The Junior Aviator pin, dude.
It's gonna be like that.
Okay. I have Australian flag, Idaho potato,
Never mind.
P-51 I think. Then I have a KidVenture EA Future Pilot. This is the one it came with. Newly added Avior. Here's the riveting pin I made. Canadian flag from last year. My Beach 18 and my SR-71.
Is this one mine?
I don't know.
Junior pin.
Hey, Amelia. Look, you got your Avior and your Junior Aviator pin right there. Here, put your hat on. Show Mommy. Pretty cool.
I'll stick this one in here.
Someday I'm gonna have pins across my hand like Sky.
Okay, we're gonna get suited up and head into the air show. You will see you in there. We'll bring you some pictures of some airplanes and some videos. Keep on watching. We'll see you
Bye.
guys later. Bye.